Hi everybody! These are cool, delicious watermelons grown in our yard. In today's video, I want to share the simplest way to grow watermelon using foam containers. Especially growing plants in your yard. This will be effective and fun. Using these used styrofoam containers, I will create a very interesting watermelon growing bed. You don't need to have a large garden, just plant it right in the yard, even in tight spaces. The watermelon tree still grows and produces many delicious, nutritious, and cool fruits. I am sure this will ignite your passion for home gardening and the exciting experience of reaping unexpected rewards. Watermelon is a very easy fruit to grow. As long as you plant it in loose soil and always maintain the necessary moisture, this melon tree will grow strongly. If the watermelon plant produces a lot of flowers and fruit, cut it back to keep only the healthiest fruit. This is to concentrate nutrients into the development of a single fruit, helping the melon grow larger and more perfect. And this is your result after more than 2 months. Delicious, clean, cool watermelon. Watermelons take about 70 days from planting to harvest. At this time, the melon is ripe and the sugar in the fruit is complete, so you can harvest. Thank you for visiting my agricultural channel. If you find it interesting, please subscribe to the channel to receive the next videos. Hello and see you again in the following videos. Hello and goodbye everyone.